Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today's video is going to be a vlog. If you can hear the sound in the background, that's Allie's workout video over there. Obviously, as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be another vlog. I'm trying to vlog a lot and upload multiple videos a week for you guys, so hope you're enjoying that. Today is Wednesday, it's July 8th. It is currently 11:30 a.m. and I'm just now making myself breakfast. I tend to do this every single day, so I'll just eat a late breakfast and a late lunch. I'll talk to you guys about everything going on in a second after I make this, but I'm currently making myself breakfast. Like I said, I'm gonna make myself a protein smoothie, so I have this little frozen fruit blend. My mom gets these at Costco and they're the best. It's just like pre-packaged smoothies. So I'm gonna put that in there. This protein that I just found in the cupboard, it's pea protein, so who knows if this is gonna taste it or not, but it looks really good for you, so I'll give it a shot. I'm gonna put almond milk and then also some coconut in the magic bullet and blend it all up. Okay, I'm up in my room. Time for a taste test. Not bad. It's a little chalky. I think that's probably the protein powder, but that's pretty good for literally having 20 plus grams of protein and all the antioxidants, but yeah, it's actually really good. Cheers. Okay, I'm in the bathroom. I just took my hair out of the towel. I'm almost done drinking my smoothie. I was just sitting in my room drinking it while I was scrolling through Instagram stories, but I'm about to get ready, do my hair, and put some mascara on. While I put my mascara on, I'll talk to you guys about what's going on today. Okay, so first of all, before I get any questions about it, I talked about this in my favorites video, but this is just a little hair dryer slash brush thing, and it's amazing. I'll link it down below for you guys. I just thought I'd mention because I'm probably gonna do a time lapse of me just putting that in my hair later. First things first, before I get into what's going on in my day today, I don't know if you guys have seen all of the Howie Mandel, like Britney Spears drama on TikTok. I don't have TikTok. I deleted it because it was taking up way too much of my time. But I saw one of my bloggers I follow on Instagram. I talk about bloggers that I follow on Instagram in literally every single video. Anyway, she was posting about Howie Mandel and how he put this thing on his story. I'll show it to you guys in case you haven't seen it. And it is freaky. And the same thing with Britney Spears. People are convinced that she's like being controlled and held hostage. I just choked on my spit. People are convinced that she's being controlled and held hostage. You guys have probably heard about that, but I'll show you the Howie Mandel thing. So it's basically this video of him.
Hi everybody, Howie Mandel here. Creativity in just under a minute. Just take a regular shopping bag and all you need is a pencil and a pair of scissors. If you just take the shopping bag and you clip the two corners off that side and that side, and you just take the
Okay, I won't bore you, but basically the video has absolutely no point like you read on the screen. And he wrote S. The S's that he wrote look like fives. And 5 apparently, this is what I saw in the comments, stands for like home invasion or intruder. And he writes shoe stuff on the bag, which has absolutely no meaning. And he points to the SOS. And somebody also commented in the video before that, wear red in your next video if you need help, and he's wearing red, so that's a little terrifying. And then another comment said blink twice if you need help, and there's this like terrifying video of him looking like a clown and he just blinks twice the whole time in the entire video. So are you listening to this? I know, it's so creepy. Anyway, that's the whole situation. You can look it up. It's on TikTok and all that. I have a book right here. It is currently noon, and until 3 o'clock after I get ready, I'm just gonna go ham editing videos. And then I'm gonna go with my grandpa. We're gonna drop Allie off at cheer, and then he's gonna drop me off at my mom's work. And then, so excited, my mom and I are going to go to Ikea and some other home decor places to get stuff for the new house and to get some of my room stuff, which is gonna be really fun. And then depending on how much footage I get for this vlog, I may or may not vlog tomorrow. We'll see whether or not I vlog tomorrow. Also, I started watching Hamilton on Disney Plus and I'm loving it. I've always wanted to go and see it on Broadway, so it's really cool that they put that on Disney Plus. I watched the movie last night and then I'm gonna watch the rest while I fold my laundry later. So that's what's going on. I'm gonna get ready and let's all just say a prayer for Brittany and Howie because the Lord knows what's going on with them. Okay, I'm all done getting ready and I was thinking about something while I was doing my mascara. Somebody commented on my vlog that I posted yesterday. They're like, oh, great vlog, but you talk way too much. And I literally thought that was the funniest thing in the entire world because it's a vlog, a video blog. Like, would you tell somebody on their blog post, oh, like, great post, but you write too much? I don't know, I just thought that was really funny. Anyway, I just remembered that I never did my devotional this morning, so I'm gonna do that right now. I've been doing a ton of plans on the Bible app. I'm currently in the middle of this one's called What is God Doing? I did like 3 or 2 days. So I'm gonna do this one for today. What's really nice is these, you don't have to take a lot of time. They're pretty short. short, so you can do like one plan in one day or just one day of the plan. It's really nice. So I'm gonna sit down and do this and then fold my laundry over here. I also have a bunch of laundry in the washer, which is kind of a mess. This box is just random stuff that I need to pack up. I'm gonna do a whole pack with me soon. That should be a very interesting video because I have so much stuff in the suitcase over here I have to pack. That is what's going on. I need to take all of this out too and fold it. So I'm gonna watch more Hamilton while I am folding all this stuff. Hello guys, update. As you saw, I just got some editing done. Not as much as I would have liked to get done though, so I'm gonna bring my computer in the car and edit a little bit there because I just really want to get this video done today. I feel like this day has gone by so fast. It's already 2:30 and we're leaving at 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick outfit of the day, show you what I'm wearing, and then go downstairs, make myself something for lunch before we go. I'm taking all my dishes that were downstairs. In case you're wondering, our dining room and downstairs still looks like a disaster because #moving. Disregard the mess, but here's my OTV. My sunglasses are from Target. This bralette that I'm wearing is from Tilly's. This shirt, Allie, is this black shirt from Brandy? Yeah. This is Allie's shirt that I literally had to pay her $2. She wouldn't let me wear it unless I paid her, so I Venmo'd her money. So rude. My shorts are from Tilly's, and then I'm just gonna wear these sneakers from Vans. All right, here's my lunch. I just heated up these leftover taquitos, rice, and then I have carrots and pears. I love pears. I'm talking to my vlog.
Oh, your blog. Mm-hmm. Hi, blog. How you doing?
Hey! Wave. I won't make you stay for longer than like 5 seconds. You're in the dark. There she is. We're in the car. Look at what my mom's work gave her. It says, "Donut worry, be happy." We are off to Ikea and then the Container Store, HomeGoods. See you at Ikea. Look at how cute. I'm gonna do a whole home decor haul, by the way, later on, so I won't show you everything I'm getting now, but I'll show you a couple things. Just know to stay tuned for the home decor haul because that will come, oh, I'm running things over. That will come sometime in the near future. There's so much furniture here. I just wanna live in all of these. Hello, we are out of Ikea. That was quite the adventure. We were in there for how long? Like an hour and a half, probably. We got a mirror and some cute little succulent accessories. Unfortunately, a lot of the stuff that I wanted to get, they did not have in stock, so I'm just gonna try to order it online and make sure that that all gets to the right address and whatnot, but we're probably gonna go to HomeGoods next and then go get food somewhere, and I'll update you guys soon. Finally made it. We almost got lost, but we made it. We only have like 30 minutes in here because it closes at 7, but we're gonna make the most of our time. She's running. I don't think I've ever seen you run, Mom. Hallelujah. How cute is this? Look what I found. I'm gonna put this probably by my mirror in my room. It's so cute. I'm literally finding the cutest things. I said I wouldn't show you guys anything, but I'm literally showing you everything because I can't help it. But this is all I'm gonna show you. The rest I will save for the haul. Show us how much this adorable pillow costs. $88. That's sad. Actually, I don't know if I love this even that much because of this gap right here. That's cute, but I like the ones that have the frills on them. Or the tassels. I don't know how to
This is 68.
name those. Moving on, and my mother has found some pillows and baskets for the walls to go throughout the house. I'll keep you updated. And of course, we are looking at the clothes. It's literally inevitable. We got the goods and the back is closing. Success. Woo! Okay, I feel like I keep doing these updates in the car, but back in the car. We're going to go for a mother-daughter date and get sushi together. Are you excited, Mom? Oh, I crushed the rest of the donuts. That's really depressing.
For everybody?
Just this one. Hello guys, I look like such a mom with these sunglasses on right now.
Wait a minute, we're gonna pass this place because that is not right.
But this is
literally,
I don't even know the
We're
address.
gonna pass it.
Well, is it right? Oh, we're having struggles. Okay, we're back. Still looking like a mom with the sunglasses on, but I think we're back in the right way. We are actually having a little bit of a change of plans. We are going to meet my dad and Allie at the sushi place that we're trying to find. We are very lost in this area, but it's no longer a mother-daughter date. It is a family affair. What do you have to say about all this?
I'm so hungry.
I think we all are. I think we all just
hangry.
need food.
I'm past
We're
it.
all hangry right now. Hallelujah. Chicken hibachi. Hello guys, I'm sitting here struggling. Allie's literally jumping over there, so disregard that. But I'm so frustrated because the bed that I really wanted from Ikea, I looked online, they said they had it in stock. I was ready to get it today. It's nowhere. And I can't even order it online. I can't do the click and collect thing. So it's super frustrating. I literally considered driving all the way to LA because I was like, I need this bed. It's nowhere. It's completely out of stock, and the desk, legs, and you're like doing that purposely just to annoy me right now. The desk, leg, and dressers that I wanted are all, oh my gosh, are all out of stock, which is just super frustrating. So I'm sitting here looking for a new bed and a new desk, and super annoying because I thought I was getting a great deal at Ikea. I thought I could get everything I needed today. Turns out I cannot, but it is what it is. Also, we're home now. Didn't even mention that, but I'll update you guys if I find anything. I don't trust in Ikea anymore with their beds because everything was always out of stock, and I'll keep you guys updated, let you know if I find anything. Right now, I've literally found nothing. Hello, I think I found a solution for this bed fiasco Ikea thing that I'm currently dealing with. I found a different bed that I liked. Unfortunately, it's like $300 more, but I think it's going on sale, so I'm gonna keep an eye on that. Hello guys, it is much later. It's currently midnight. I'm talking quietly because a lot of my family is asleep right now, but I placed some orders, spent way too much money on home decor stuff today, but this was such a fun vlog, and I cannot wait to decorate everything and show you guys my final room tour when it's all ready and film videos in that room. I'm just so excited. I can't wait. But that is gonna be it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. You really are the very best. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it and you want to see more vlogs in the future. Stay tuned for all the moving, packing, decorating, unpacking, new school content because it's about to go down. It's a crazy time. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Once again, thank you for watching. Lots of love to you all. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.